Okay, if you are brave and patient, then you might be ready for the next level helicopter reconnaissance invention. And so we're going to start with a plain piece of printer paper. And for this, you need an equilateral triangle. And I'm going to show you a neat trick how to make that happen. With the paper tall and skinny, we're going to fold it hot dog bun style one time. All you have to do is line up this one corner, and then you can pinchy all the way down. And again, you want those corners to line up nice and neat. And now to make the equilateral triangle, we're going to do a neat trick. I'm going to take this corner, bottom right corner, I'm going to bring it up to this line, and I'm also going to make sure this corner, bottom left, lines up with the fold there. See that corner? All right, and then crease it down. And then flip it over, and then again I'm going to take the bottom right corner and I'm going to line this up with this edge. And what that does is give us an equilateral triangle. So now I'm going to cut the triangle out, and I like to do the tear method. So you just crease this down really well. Ooh, that is not neat cutting. I need to do better. I'm gonna clean that out with some scissors. I think I need to fold it better. I was doing so good. All right, now with this triangle, I'm going to fold the bottom two together, bottom two corners. Ooh, that is messy. Line that up better. When I practice this, it works, but then when I do it on camera, of course, it doesn't tear right. All right. Now I'm going to rotate it, and again, take the two bottom corners and bring them together. And if this is tricky, you put your finger in there, just kind of push it down. And open it back out. And again, rotate and take the two bottom corners and bring them together. Line those corners up. Pinchy, pinchy, pinchy. And there we go. Now we've got our center. I'm going to put a little dot right there in the center. And I'm going to take this bottom and line it right up on that dot. Oops, I forgot. And I'm only going to go to here, that corner. I'm going to leave this open. And the same thing on this side. I'm going to only go to that corner. And then unfold it and rotate and repeat. Take that bottom. Bring it up to the center, but only fold it to that corner. thing here, fold it to that corner, and unfold, rotate, and repeat. Only fold to the corner there. Okay, now I'm going to pinch the corners, and it makes kind of a triangular prism. Now I'm going to take this bottom and this top, and I'm going to fold it forward a little bit, like this. And I don't know why that doesn't line up the way that I want it to. There's always one that does it like that. I'm going to try and start on a different one. Line this up. There we go, that's better. And then line this up. This one that was tricky earlier, which is still being tricky. Oh, I see. I just need to pull that center up a little bit to line them up. That's better. There we go. Okay, we're almost done. Now I'm going to take this and flip it over. And I'm going to take a pencil and put a mark here and a mark here. I'm going to take this and fold it up to there. And when I do that, it's not going to want to go over here. That is okay. I'm just going to do there and then over to the left. Straighten that out all the way across. And on this side, I'll just go over to there and back down. Rotate it. And again, I'm going to take this bottom of that crease there and again, fold it up to the center. Line those up. Okay, and then this one from here to there. All right, and then we bring those corners together again. All right, and then I'm gonna push in here and fold this down. Okay, and push in here and fold this down. And then push in here. And this last one is always tricky for me. Oh, push in the bottom. There we go. And bring it down. All right, and that was the hard part. All right, and again, I'm going to cheat in this last part just because it's easier and it still works well. And so I'm going to take some glue. I'm going to glue the tip there, and I'm just going to fold it down along that other line and then wrap it around and wrap it around and wrap it around. All right, and then same thing on another one. Just gonna fold it down along the line and wrap it around and wrap it around wrap it around. And then the last one. And I'm going to take this and fold it over on that line. And wrap it around. Wrap it around. Wrap it around. And again, when I throw this one, I don't want the open end to be cutting through the air. I want the folded end to be cutting through the air. So we're going to be throwing it this way, like a frisbee. And this is the top. So I'm going to flip it over to make this the bottom, where I'm going to make my camera. Obviously, this is an old school camera. Need a fancier one for this high-tech surveillance device. And that's it. And you're gonna flip it over and you're gonna hold it like this. You're gonna throw it like a frisbee with the folded edge cutting through the air.